Hey guys, I can't see, let me put this down. Okay. Hey, me and Livy are off to Windmill Animal Farm in Burscough, just north of us. Here's Livy driving. Yeah, yay! Off we go, see the big girlies. Okay, I'm actually scared that the camera's gonna die, but here we've stopped at a little farm shop to get some food because we're hungry. But we're about 10 minutes away, I think. Yeah. Say cheese. Look over at the pygmy goats. Say hello. Hello. Ah. Oh, that's a sheep. Me bad, guys. Sorry. Say hi, piggies. Hi, piggies. You're so cute. Oh my god, look at this one. Oh my gosh. Say hi, piggies. Hi, piggies. I love them. Oh, hello. Oh my god, look, there's a teeny tiny baby. So neat. And then look, these are waiting for their milk. Oh, Livy. Let's see. There's so many. Hey guys, we know how to feed these. Hi, can I stroke you? Are you strokeable? Hello, hello. Can we stroke you? Are we allowed to touch them? I don't think this one likes. Hello, hi, hello, hello. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, everyone say hey to the vlog. Oh my god, look, the sun's out. This is gorgeous. Oh, now that there's no kids around. Add to the vlog. Hey guys. Oh, no, it's still recording. We fed some, oh look at this one in the corner. We fed some alpacas, fed some sheep, lots of goats, met some pigs, more goats. We fed a lamb. I wish I could have, oh, we can always go to the 3:30 lamb feeding as well and film it. Livy, how are you enjoying today?
I'm having the best time.
Wait, can you take photos? Hey, continuing the vlog. I'll not vlog too long. There's some Shetland ponies. Ah, cute. You can stay in this. Where are the Highland cows? Little lambs over there. It's so cute. At first I was in fact quite scared because it was literally just a field, but this is so much better than I thought and so much better than I could have ever hoped. Look at everything. Then we can have some scran, little picnic. Oh, hello. Can we touch you? Can we touch you? Hello. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, you need to wash your hair. It feels funny. We can't feed you. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. She played a fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Oh my god. Can we do one last little shot before the camera dies? Look at those cows. And then there's one there. Recording. Run. Is that filming? Yeah. No. Oh god, this is hard.
Oh, you're reversing.
Oh, this is so fun.
How did you reverse it?
One bit quick, round that corner and just tip over.
Right, stop. Ugh. It's like stuck here. Look.
Get on one further back.
Wait. I'll just do a 3 million point turn. There we go.
Off she goes. They're quite comfy and stuff.
Yeah, they are. you know, passing the driver's test. Wait, let me take mine on car with us. Oh, that young couple's judging us like they're not doing the same.
Here's Livy.
It's time for a fit check. Hey guys, this is what we're wearing. The camera's about to die. Farm fit check with the deer. Gotta be packed lunch. We're surrounded by children. Okay.
Yay! Oh my god, I think that was in there. Hello! You're gorgeous. Oh, look at you guys.